Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, first we are going to talk about OS module. So by using the OS module, we can check the directory in which we are currently working on, and we can also manage the files and folders in our computer. So now let's first see that what is the syntax we use to make this happen. So first basically we need to import the OS module itself. And if we want to check the directory in which we are currently working on, the path of the directory, so I can directly use here print os dot get cwd. So by using this get cwd, it will return and print the directory in which we are currently working on. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see that I am currently working on this directory del. So now how can we make a folder in our directory? So if you want to create a folder, I can just comment this code and I can directly write here os.mkdir. So by using, I have to write here dot. So by using this mkdir, I can simply create any folder. Suppose I create a folder called movies. So as you can see, before creating any folder, make sure that this folder does not exist in the file, because if the same folder with the same name already exists in the directory, it will generate an error. So basically before proceeding it, let's comment this and basically check in the directory of this del that this folder name movies actually exist in our directory or not. We can check it by using simply print os dot path dot exists, and I can write the name of the folder here, movies. So if it return true, it means that the folder exists, and if it returns false, it means that the folder does not exist. As you can see, if I run this program, you can see that it says the folder false means the folder does not exist. So as you can see, if I comment this code and I can just now directly create this folder, I run this program, so it does not show any input. So let's go check in the directory. So as you can see, we can see that this is my whole files are here. So you can see that it has created a folder movies, and it is empty right now. So now if we want to show the name of each file and folder which is currently present in our directory, so how can we show all the file and folders that are currently in our directory in the input? So I can just directly write here print. So I can write list dir. So by using this list dir, it will appear I can say that it will show all the files and folders, everything which is present in my current directory in the output. As you can see, if I run this program, you can see that there are number of files actually exist here. You can see that my previous files are here, my drive folder is here, and everything is here. So let's comment this code now. Basically, if we want to check the path of each file and folder which is present in our directory, so I can directly use it by using to check the path, it is the object. It will return an object if I directly use the print command. So as we learn the difference between iterator and iterable, so for the object variables we need to use the for loop. So I can just list dir. I'm going to run the loop in this directory list dir, as we discussed that this list dir will return all the files and folders which are currently in my directory. Now I can directly write here print os dot, and we have to write here path dot and join, and I can write here os dot get cwd. So and after that I have to write here I. So we are all done. As you can see, if I run this program, it is saying that it is as invalid syntax. Yes, I have to apply the OS module. So os dot list dir. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see that it is returning all the you can see that all the directories same. We have the same directory here del as because they are in the same directory. That is why the path is same for all the files and folders here. So I just wanted to show you the procedure that how can we check the path of each file and folder. So let's just comment this code. So I will upload all this code on the GitHub and provide the link in the description. So don't worry about the code. Now let's move forward. So if we want to print the whole path from the depth of the folder within folder, basically to proceed this procedure, first we need to select the folder in which we are going to working on. So let's say if I choose this folder which is pictures here, and we can see that there are so many things inside the pictures. So first I need to select this picture folder and store it in a variable. So I'm going to create a variable C, and I'm going to, after this variable C, I'm going to use this walk method which is available in OS module, and now I can write the path here. So as we can see there, it has the same path because it is using the same directory here. Now I need to write the name of the folder. So the name pictures, P is capital here. Make sure that we write the correct name of the folder. So this will store in variable C. And now, so to print the current path and folder names and file names and all the things, I'm going to use the for loop. So in for loop, it will return basically the three things. The first we have is current path. This is the first thing we have, the current path, which we all know. And then we have the folder name. The folder name, what is the name of the folder? The basic folder in which contains all the folders within folders. And I can see that the files names also. So the third thing I can see that the file names. So these all the things will be returning in C, because C contains the I accidentally run this program, basically that's why it is generating an error. Now C contains the path which is basically the folder which we want to see its within folders and its name and folder name, etc. Now what we can do here, I can directly write here print, and I can use the string formatting here. So I can see that the current path is current path. The same thing is here. Make sure the spelling is correct. And I can write here print. I can again write here the folder name is folder name. Alright. Yes, and print the file names are file names. So I hope I did not make any mistake in writing code. So as you can see, let's check this by running this program. So it is showing nothing basically. So let's just change the name of the folder. I am changing it to documents. So if I write here documents, So let's see again, by running this program. Now you can see that it is appearing that the folder names are, these are the folder names, these are the files. So it does not contain any file, and the current path is this. The name of the current path is this, that the documents and Audacity. So basically it contains only one folder, and this, the folder name is this, Audacity, and the file names are, the folder names is. So basically if I see the documents and Audacity, this Audacity is empty. So that is why it does not contain any file name. Now, if I want to delete the empty folder? So in Dell, we have this movies folder which is empty. We can see that. So if I want to delete this folder, so I can write here. So as to create folder, we write mkdir. So remove folder, we write rmdir to remove this folder. So rmdir will remove this movies folder. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see that it has been executed. So if I'm going to check this, there is no movies folder here. It has gone. So that's all about, we have discussed so much about this OS module. So now coming to this OS module, so the next we have is Shutil module. So basically this Shutil module offers high level operation on a file. So like we can copy and create folders, and we can perform so many remote operation on a file. Basically it comes under Python's standard utility modules. So this module helps in automating the process of copying and removal of files and directories. So as you can see, if we are going to delete any folder, specific folder, by using this Shutil module, it will delete it permanently. So we need to be a little bit more careful about this. Now let's see how can we use this Shutil module. So basically we need to, just like OS module, we need to import Shutil. Now, so let's see in which folder we are going to remove permanently. So there are some folders like pictures and videos. These folders we cannot delete by using this because the permission access is denied here. So make sure that the folder, suppose I'm going to create a new folder, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm naming it my folder. So basically this folder, I'm going to copy this file Ctrl+C, and in my folder I'm going to so now this folder is not empty. You can see that this folder contains this file. Alright, I named it my folder. So now let's delete this folder by using this Shutil module. So as we discussed earlier, this folder will be deleted permanently. So make sure you should delete the folder that you don't need anymore, because it will not be stored in the recycle bin. It will delete permanently. Now, so let's see by using this first, how can we delete it? So I can directly use this module shutil.rmtree. So rmtree, we have this method in Shutil module, and to delete any folder. So I named it my folder, and as you can see, if I just run this program, you can see that it has been executed and there is no my folder anymore because it has been deleted permanently. Now just comment this code, because if I am going to again run this program, it will generate an error because this folder has been already deleted, and it will be saying that file is not found. So just comment this code and run this program to clear the mess. Now what if we want to copy one folder in another folder? So we can do this basically by using the copy tree. So let's first see which folder we are going to copy into another. So by using this copy tree method, I can copy the file into the folder. So the first, I need to specify the folder. So the folder name which we have created is my folder. So now I need to assign the path basically after the directory. So how can we do this? I can directly write here my, in the string my folder, and after that I can write here file. So this file will be stored as a folder, and in the folder the file will be stored. So what I want to say is, so suppose if I run this program, you can see that it is returning the path that I entered here in the second argument. So let's check it copy or not. So open this. So it is creating the folder, the name of the folder name is same as the file name. So you can see that the file one has been copied here. It has created a name file now. So that is how can we copy one folder into another. I hope it is clear. So this method, copy tree method, is used to copy folder into another folder. So let's discuss how can we copy the file into another file. So if I want to, I can just use .copy method, and this copy method, and I write here that file .txt. So this file is here. We can see that the file .txt, this file is here, and I want to copy it into my folder. So I can just the file name and the folder name. So I can write here my folder and then the name of the file.txt. So if in this folder the file.txt file should be stored. So if I run this program, you can see that it is returning the path. If I check my folder, yes, the file has been copied here. Now so what if we want to move our file from folder to another folder? So here we have file u. So it is the Python file. So we have u.py. We can see that the type is py here. So we want to move this file from this directory del to desktop. We need to copy the path. So this is the path we have here, and I can directly write here Shutil dot move, and the first we have the destination path. So the destination, before writing the path, we need to put r here and write this and u.py, and then we have r, and I can directly write the desktop path. So let's just check the desktop path also. So into properties, and we have this. Let's copy this path and paste it here, and desktop. So this is the source and this is the destination path. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see that it is returning that desktop.u.py. It means that this file has been copied to u. Let's just check. Yes, its file has been moved to this desktop folder, and let's check the del. It has been removed. This u file has been removed from this my del folder. So that's all about OS module and Shutil module. I hope you understand and learn something new from this video. So see you in next week. Thank you very much for watching. Hey, wait. So before you move on, let me show you something real quick. Is that I have just created an online store. In this online store, I make designs, t-shirt designs for the programmers and coders like you guys. So if you want to have one of these cool designs, I put the link in the description. You can access this store from there. Thank you very much.